Hey, it's Bob Clark from bobandrosemary.com. If you're an affiliate marketer and you're part-time, this video is especially for you. It can be tough to make headway in affiliate marketing when you don't have a lot of time. I get that. But today I'm going to show you how to make big money in affiliate contests, which are especially great when you're part-time. So stay tuned. Hi, my name is Bob Clark. Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe. That little red button down below the video. That's the subscribe button, and click the little notification bell so you get notified every time I put out a new video. I'm putting out content regularly on this channel to help people who are building their business part-time. So make sure you subscribe. And at the end of this video, I'm going to show you a way. I got a very special gift for you, totally free, just as thanks for watching this video. So don't skip ahead because there's lots of good stuff to come. All right, affiliate marketing. Okay, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're part-time, it can be tough, right? I know that. It can be tough to find the time to do all the little things you need to do to get affiliate offers out there, to promote them, and to make money. Right? It can be a little bit hard when you don't have a lot of time. All right, but what I'm going to tell you about is a way that I use on a regular basis to basically make some big money in affiliate marketing using affiliate contests. Okay, now a contest is usually a launch of some kind, maybe a product or a service, where the product creator is trying to get things going, get momentum fast, so they have a contest with prizes, and basically affiliate marketers will compete, okay, and try to promote whatever it is that the product creator is putting out there. And here's the one thing I've noticed about part-timers is they tend to discount the possibilities because they're part-time. Okay, like, I don't have a lot of time. I can't compete with those big wigs. There's some big names in this contest. I can't compete with that. And you know, in previous videos, I've talked about exposure agents and placing in the top 10 or the top 5 in one of these affiliate contests. That's a big one, can really get you a lot of exposure fast. Okay, so that's the other part of this that you need to know. But how do you do it? All right, how do you finish in the top 10 in affiliate contests, right? How do you do it? What's some of the ways to do it? Well, in today's video, I'm going to give you 4 steps that I've identified as crucial to making it big, to make big money in affiliate contests. So let's get to it. Here is number 1. Make the decision that you're all in. Okay, number 1 is make the decision that you're all in. It all starts with a decision. Right, putting the doubts aside, saying, you know, screw it, I'm going to do this. I'm going to give it my best effort. And the good thing about affiliate contests is that they're relatively short, usually a week to 10 days in length, sometimes even shorter. Okay, so you don't have to push so hard over a long period of time. This is a concentrated effort. So make the decision that you're going to be all in on this, okay? That you're going to give it your best effort, that you're going to devote a lot of time to it, as much time as you possibly can to making this thing work, okay? Because this is an easy way for you, not easy way, but it's a way for you to make money quickly in affiliate marketing because it's related to a contest, okay? So number 1 is make the decision you're all in. Let's get to number 2. The second thing you need to do is ask for help. Right? Ask those around you, your parents, your family, your wife, your husband, your everybody around you, right? Your friends, your other marketers, anybody who can help you. You got to ask for help, right? You got to let your ego go here. You're not Superman, Superwoman. You can't do everything, right? This is going to take a bunch of your time, and short term, right? I said a week to 10 days. So ask for help. You know, can someone watch the kids so you can have more time? Can someone else clean the house for you? Or can someone else watch the kids? Or can someone else, whatever, to give you more time, right? Let your spouse know that for the next 7 to 10 days, you're not going to see you as much because you're going to be working on making some money for them. And that always works. That always works. So the second part of the equation here is to ask for help. Let's get to number 3. Okay, now we're getting into the juice. Okay, we got into the making the decision, asking for help. That's kind of laying the foundation, right, for your contest. Number 3 is you're gonna need a bonus. So why is somebody gonna buy from you, right? It's a contest. People are out there. Usually there's some big names, maybe some of them are bigger, more well known than you. So why is somebody gonna buy from you? Well, you got to have bonuses. Okay, you got to have bonuses attached to this offer in the contest, and the value of these bonuses needs to be more than the product itself. Okay, now you're probably saying, great, how the heck am I going to do that? I don't know how to do that. Well, number 1 is you know more than you think. And number 2 is I'm going to give you a little secret weapon that I used, and I'll tell you the story in a minute, that was really effective for me in creating a bonus package that people really loved and took advantage of and really helped me in this contest. So here's the story. Back in, I don't even know, back about 3 or 4, maybe 5 years ago, I entered an affiliate contest for a company that was starting up. And it's basically a marketing system that started up, and they were really promoting it, and they had a contest attached to it. And some big names were in there, right? Some big names were in this contest. And I didn't let that bother me. I said, okay, I'm going to go for this, and I'm going to give it as much time as I can, and I'm going to go for it. I made the decision. I asked everybody around me for help. And then I got together with some other people I knew, so maybe at the same level, a little bit lower level of experience than me, right, who are also promoting this, right? That's the key. They're also promoting the contest. And we got together, it was like 5 or 6 of us, and we said, okay, if we combine our efforts, if we each create a bonus, right, some bit of training, a video, something that will contribute to the overall bonus package. We each created something like that, right? So I created something on email, and how to write emails that will generate sales. And somebody else created stuff on graphics, and somebody else created something on blogging. Right, so it's like a total package, right? And here's the thing: it has to be relevant to the offer, and this was. Right? But when you combine it with a bunch of people, you can come up with a bonus package that can be worth way more than the product itself, and you can blow people out of the water with that. So look around. Look who else is in the challenge, is in the contest. Okay, look who's in the contest, and start talking. Start reaching out to these people and see if they want to go in with you on creating a bonus package. Now here's the thing, everybody in that group could use that bonus package for any of the leads they brought in. Okay, any of the sales, I'm sorry. Anybody who bought from them, they could offer that bonus package, right? So it was an enticement to buy from them. And that's it. Well, using that strategy, I was able to finish, I believe it was number 6 or number 7 in this pretty major affiliate contest. Not only did I make good money, but I got a huge amount of exposure from the people who were creating the system, right? Because here I was pretty much a nobody at that time, and I came out and scored pretty well in that contest. And I've used this over and over again, this strategy. I've used it many times, and it's always helped me to really score big in some of these contests where I wouldn't have if I didn't kind of create a bonus package with some other people. So that's a really cool tip for you, okay, that will help you out in competing in these contests where you don't think you could before. So that's number 3. Let's get to number 4. Let's throw some gasoline on this fire. Okay, number 4 is you want to be using some paid traffic, some paid marketing, especially if you put together a really great bonus package. You want people to know about it, right? You can't rely on word of mouth, or I don't know, maybe your reach is better than mine on Facebook or social media, but I'd prefer to do some paid marketing on Facebook, LinkedIn, for example. You can do solo ads. There's lots of different ways that you can get eyeballs on your offer, and that's the key. Got to get eyeballs on your offer, okay? And the best way to do that is to pay for some ads so that your reach will be far better than if you're just doing it through free social media. There's nothing better. You can really, it's like throwing gasoline on a fire. It can just explode your offer, because now you've made the offer. You got a great bonus package in place, okay, and now you're putting gasoline on it by getting a lot of eyeballs on on that offer. And that was a key to me finishing so high in that affiliate contest back in the day. Because number one, I created a bonus package with some other marketers that was very cool. And number two, I used paid traffic. I used solo ads at the time. Now I would use Facebook ads now. And blew it out of the water. It shocked me how well I did, because I made a good offer and I got a lot of eyeballs on it. So I hope this has helped you out today. This is the way. This is the 4 steps you can use to make some pretty good money in affiliate contests. And it's especially good when you're part-time, because when you combine efforts, you don't need as much time as you would otherwise. And paid marketing doesn't take you nearly as long as the free stuff, as you probably know. So hope this has helped you out. Again, please don't forget, if you like this video, to share it with others who you think would find value, especially people, those of you who know who are part-time. And again, don't forget to subscribe. And I do have a little gift for you that I promised earlier. I put together a PDF, a free PDF, totally free for you, how to get more leads, more sales, more signups in your business in 30 minutes a day or less. It's basically everything I've learned on how to build a business part-time in one little PDF. I just kind of focused it all in for you and given you everything you need to succeed part-time. So you grab that by going to bobandrosemary.com/30. Just put in your email. I'll send that over to you right away. And it's my gift for you, totally free, because I appreciate you, and I appreciate you watching these videos. You're awesome. So have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.